Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Remote Desktop on Android. On your PC, click Start and search. Type Remote Desktop Settings. Enable Remote Desktop, select Users with Access and note your account. You'll need your Microsoft account email and password. On your Android phone, install the Windows app. Open it. Tap the plus icon. Select PC connection. Okay, now we need to open CMD. Like this. This is how it looks. Command prompt, type ipconfig here. There we'll need our IP address. Here's the IPv4 address. Where's the PC name? Enter the IP address here. Everyone has their own. It's like 192.xxx, your specific IP. Okay. Now click Add User Account. Enter your Microsoft email and password from your PC. There. You can also enter your PC name, then connect and click. That's it for now.